Hello everyone, this is Tina from Landpack, and this video to show you how to install and how to operate the powder filling machine. So when you want to run the machine, and you have to install the screws and other accessories to finish assembling. And the first step, you have to open the screw device to install the screw. After install the screw, you have to use the plug to fix the cup. No matter the powder filling machine comes with a single filling head or double filling head, you can do the same way to finish the assembly for the screws. And here is the air cylinder, and this one already fixed the position to match different bottle size. If you have different bottle size like this way, small one and a big one, you have to do the adjustment for the position air cylinder to block, to stop the bottle. Here you can screw to move right or to left to adjust the distance to meet different bottle dimension. And over here, you can adjust the black handle to adjust the height to make different bottle height, higher one or lower one. Also, you can do another adjustment to adjust the whole complete height for the screw measuring device. And here is the video to show you how to operate the filling machine. So here is the touch screen, and you have to insert the password. As you can see, there is automatic and manual, Premade and language. So before you run the machine, you'd better to run it on the manual filling hopper, instep the bottle, release bottle, filling conveyor, filling once, vibration, empty bottle test, screw stir, screw filling, screw empty. And now press the button to stop the bottles and adjust the air cylinder position to make different bottle dimension. It can move left to right. And now press the button to run the filling hopper. To adjust the height for the filling material device. The filling nozzle should be close to the cup. And then lock it. And now run the machine with the automatic filling system. And stop it. So now we just finished the one cycle to test the machine running under the manual system. And after you set down the parameter and set down the function, you only need to run the machine under the automatic system. Okay, now this video to show you how to adjust the filling capacity. No matter you filling 900 or 1000 the gram the powder inside the bottle, so you better to change the screw puzzle. Small value, the small puzzle to filling small capacity, and higher the value puzzle to filling the more capacity.